In the garden of kindness we sow. With hearts open wide, love will grow. Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Sweet Tea Daily. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Nicole. I'm really glad to have y'all here. Today I'm doing another unboxing video for my character series where I unpack a child's character themed shoebox for Operation Christmas Child. Today's character theme is Paw Patrol. It's for a boy who's 2 to 4. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so when he opens his box, this is what he'll see. And I will go ahead and take out the papers so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says, "Jesus loves you," featuring the Paw Patrol characters. And if you like this lid design, you can access it by going to the description box and clicking on the link that says lid design. For his wow gift is this little Zuma chocolate lab from Paw Patrol. He's a sea patroller. He's really soft and he fits really well inside the shoebox. Next, I have this little fidget toy. And next, I have this little hat and paws that I got at the Dollar Tree. Here is his Paw Patrol t-shirt. I got this from Kohl's. It was on clearance and it was under $2. I did use Kohl's cash, so I didn't pay anything for this t-shirt. Isn't it cute? Next, I have a Paw Patrol hat for him. It says "All Paws In." Okay, next, I have these Paw Patrol cars. There's Chase. Cute. And they roll really well. Okay, next, I have this cup for him. With some underwear. This reminded me of Rubble. A pair of socks with some construction vehicles on there. And a washcloth. Next, I have a ball for him. I have these characters I got out of the blind packs from Target on clearance. A glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. A pair of scissors. A spoon. A Paw Patrol toothbrush. I have a pencil pack with markers, a ruler, pencils, a sharpener, and a dinosaur eraser. Next, I have some slap bracelets, and I'm keeping them in this packaging here because it says 3 and up. So I wanted to just be careful. A comb. And a puzzle. I got this from Walmart. And I included this organza bag so that they could put the puzzle in here and not lose the pieces. Next, I have this little pouch where he can put his pencils in, some stickers, and some crayons. I have a blow-up basketball for him. I have this Jesus Blesses the Children book. I know that he will probably not be able to read English or know English, but the pictures are really beautiful in this book, so that's why I'm including it in this box. Next, I have a bag where he can take his items home in or use it for school. Next, I have our letter to the child with our picture. Next, I have this journal book for the 2 to 4s that I made, and it is available on my website, sweetteadaily.com. A Paw Patrol coloring book, a Wild Safari sticker coloring and activity book. I got this from the Dollar Tree. The pictures are really cute. I'm including this letter and number practice that you can get on sweetteadaily.com, and I've shown that before in my other videos. And finally, I have this composition book for him. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, his story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles